Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable quick capture and how to use quick capture on Insta360 GO Ultra. To start, you should slide down from the top of your screen and find quick capture. You can turn it off or turn it on. When it's on, you can find single press and double press. You can set single press and you can set it to a shooting mode, set specifications, shooting parameters, field of view and tilt fix. And for double press you can also set different options here. So now when I turn the camera off, when the quick capture is on, I can now either take a photo by double pressing on the capture button. Yeah, you can see the photo is taken and the camera will shut down in 3 seconds. Like that. So it just takes it and shuts down. Let's see if we can do it by pressing on standalone camera right here. Yeah, it also does it even without enabling the action, the thing here. I forgot the name of it. So yeah, without enabling this screen, it does that. And also for recording video, you can also just press on it. Now it has started recording. And to stop it, I can simply click here, it'll stop and shut down. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.